everyone, this is Cotton Candy TV here, and welcome to part 2 of the Let's Play of Spyro, A Hero's Tale. Now, yeah, I did some work. Unfortunately, I realized I wasn't recording. Oops. So, yeah, the main thing that I did, so we already went through the nursery and stuff like that. I think we did. Well, if you didn't see that, then we just went through the nursery, and I think you saw that. But anyways, what I did mainly, all she asked was for me to collect all the dragon eggs. The main thing I did was go over here and destroy the gem for Ember, so let's talk to Ember. Oh, I can't talk to her anymore. She's just an object now. She's just all happy. But yeah, so now we're going to be going to, like, secret place I found, and I didn't actually realize that it automatically saves. So if I'm not recording, I'm going to have to explain to you every single thing that happens, which is probably going to take up most of the episode. But, well, I kind of was recording, but, like, my video stopped on me. Like, it wasn't long enough, so yeah. So let me just get these and kill you, and you're dead. Okay. So now, this is a new area, and it looks pretty cool. No! Oh. Oh no. Oh no, you don't. Oh no, you don't. Yes. It's going there. Okay, because there's still one in a different area. I heard a light gem over there, actually. I literally heard a light gem. Is it? Oh, okay, here it is. Here it is. There we go. And whee! There we go. And the boom, the boosh. Okay, there we go. Now I really want to see what this bird does. Or penguin.
Sorry, chap, but only
Sargent Bird.
birds and
That's
Air
right.
Force pilots can get up there. And I happen to be both of those things.
Only a bird and a
Right.
pilot.
Shall I take on this flying challenge?
For a dragon egg, yes. Let's see how good I am at this. Yeah, so good. Wait, I'm not ready. Oh gosh. This whole episode is just gonna be me literally. How do I fire? Oh. Oh. This is awesome. Oh man, I wanna go through that hoop. No. Let me go through. Oh gosh, let me go through the hoop. Oh gosh, let me go. Let me go through the hoop. I had a little, okay, no, don't do that. Die, okay. Gonna kill you. Ugh. This is a lot harder than it looks, okay? Da-da-da. It's really fun, though. No! Stupid bird. Oh, I'm sorry, did I insult you? What? Boom. Sheesh. I had to stand right there to get him. There we go. I'm getting the hang of this. That 5 more seconds will be actually really useful. Come on, I just need like, I need that one more hoop. And I have the hoops complete. Okay, now I need these. No, go. Oh, I can only fire those when I'm in the air. Okay, got it. No. Oh, okay. At least I can tell if I killed them. I'm almost done. Where's the last one? Oh, is it down here? Oh, get it! No! Come on. Stupid bird, where are you? I got it! I mean, I knew it. Okay. How many of the... Oh, I'm done those guys. Okay, I only need the little ring things. Hoops. I need two! Where are they? Okay, there's one. There's one. The other one's over there. Come on. Just get it. There's only a few seconds left. Oh! I've got mad skills. Oh, if this video cuts off, I swear I'm uploading it to YouTube because there's no way you guys are missing that. That was awesome. That was awesome.
Oh, here you go, Spyro. All I got you was this ridiculous dragon egg.
Yeah. Probably.
Well, I can give it another go and see if I can win you something decent. Like a light gem, for example.
Okay, let's do this again. Oh, yeah. If I beat it twice in a row, I'm going to be so happy because that's actually hard. Oh, it's different this time. At least I got the hang of it this time. Okay. Ooh, birds. Let me get these birds or vultures or whatever they are. Where'd they go? Okay. If I dive down here. Oh, I thought that was like a target. Okay, well, you're there, so I might as well get you now. I'm doing pretty good. This is so fun. Oh, hoop, hoop, hoop. Dive, birdie. Okay. Oh, no. Okay. There we go. First try. That was first try. Oh, this is awesome. Sorry, that's my dog scratching the door. Tika! Now, I love you, Tika. Okay. Ignore that. I need one more hoop. Hoopy. What? Where's the hoop? Where is that stupid hoop? Oh my gosh, I don't have time for this. I need that hoop. Okay, now I have time for it. No. Okay, there we go. Okay, seriously, where's that hoop? I'm really mad right now because I need one more hoop. And I really don't want to do this all over again. What? Already? I wasn't even looking at the time. No, I didn't be. 5 more seconds. Go. Oh. Okay. Oh, I only have 2 minutes this time. I don't have 3. That's why. Come here, you stupid vulture. Okay, I want to be concentrated this time. Oh, I hit a target, apparently. Okay, where are the rest of those guys? Oh yeah, this is where they go. And this time, every single hoop I see, I am going to hit. I mean, go through or whatever. Oh no, get up. Okay. No, you come back here. Okay, where are you? Where are the rest of the 2 vultures?